Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your entire game library on your PlayStation 5. So if you deleted something or you just want to see all the games you purchased, go all the way to the right to Game Library, and then go to the top, go to Your Collection. And this will be everything you ever bought on your console. So you can see I have 550 games under here, and I believe this is going to include PlayStation Plus. So if I go to the right, here's my PlayStation Plus games. So out of all the games I've ever bought, 363 of them are PlayStation Plus games. So I'm going to have to look at that for this month right now and download some more. So I must have downloaded or bought a bunch of games on my PlayStation 5 that weren't PlayStation Plus games. But we can go to the sort and filter by. I usually just go to most recent. So if I open something up, I can see them on the top. So I was playing Gears of War, Rocket League, Call of Duty most recently. Yeah, I tried Delta Force. That was kind of bad. But everything else is listed on here. So just scroll through here and you can find all the games you ever bought. And then you can re-download them back to your PlayStation 5. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.